Hi, I'm Valerie, President of Motivator. We want to offer what does not exist yet on the market. The tool to create decision tree form online and on the fly, no programmers needed. What is a decision tree form? It's a web document, some type of assessment form. Okay, many companies like Wufoo, SurveyMonkey have created their own. But the difference is, any field on our form can start a logic tree of any deepness, unlike Wufoo. Simple field and a logic tree field are on the same page, and no need to jump to the next page to get dependent question on the previous user input, unlike SurveyMonkey. With our tool, you can design not only a web form, but also the result you would like to get based on user input, its form decision. While in design mode, the form logic could be also reproduced in a graphical layout, unlike any other tool. Thank you.